7 vegetarian muscle gain diet that you should follow. If you are a vegetarian, I'm sure you always have a hard time choosing the right diet plan for mass gain and bodybuilding. There are tons of muscle gain diet plans for non-vegetarians. Meat and eggs, as we all know, are the best source of protein and are highly recommended by our trainers for weight loss and muscle gain. But what about vegetarians? Is there a diet plan for the green lovers for bodybuilding? As the popular saying goes, where there's a will, there's a way. So where there are lots of veggies, there's definitely more protein. Hey family, welcome back to Sound Health Solution. This video is all about the superfood for the vegetarians who want to reshape their body and gain some muscles. We will also talk about some easy ways to prepare vegetarian recipes that are loaded with proteins and other nutrients. Let us begin. Number 1. Beans. Beans are the second highest source of protein after meat. They are cheap, delicious, and heart healthy. Most beans, including kidney, black, pinto, navy beans, contain an average of 15 grams of protein per serving. Not only this, they are low in fat, rich in vitamins like vitamin A, C, D, E, and contain essential amino acids that are required by the body for muscle building. Number 2. Nuts. In general, nuts are good sources of fat, fiber, and protein. If you want to add more calcium, fat, and other healthy nutrients along with protein in your diet, start loading up on the nuts like peanuts, almonds, pecans, pistachios, hazelnuts, cashews, and walnuts. 1 ounce of hazelnuts, almonds, and pistachios alone contain 6 grams of protein each. Nuts lower your cholesterol and make you feel full for a longer time. Also, nuts like walnuts and hazelnuts boost joint and digestive health, which is essential for extensive training and workouts. Number 3. Legumes. This one ranks top on my everyday diet. Legumes like lentils, peas, chickpeas, soybeans have twice the protein content than cereal grains. With low fat, almost zero cholesterol, and high amount of carbohydrates, legumes are perhaps the best vegetarian food for muscle gain. Boiled legumes, aka edamame, contains 31.3 grams of protein per 100 grams, while cooked lentils consist 17.6 grams of protein per cup serving. Number 4. Leafy greens. Muscle building and mass gain is not that simple as it sounds for vegetarians. It's like walking barefoot in the desert. Therefore, you need to get as much nutrients as possible from your diet, and for that, you need to eat leafy greens. Spinach, broccoli, watercress, asparagus, sprouts, Chinese cabbage, collard greens are all healthy veggies that contain the most protein. Just a cup of alfalfa sprout provides 1.3 grams of protein. So, what are you waiting for? Go green! Number 5. Hemp protein powder. Hemp protein powder is trending a lot these days among the vegan bodybuilders. Made by grinding pressed hemp seeds, the powder has a very nutty and earthy taste. It is undoubtedly a high-quality protein food for vegan as it contains all the 9 essential amino acids required for muscle gain along with healthy fibers and fats. About 30 grams of high-quality hemp protein powder contains about 12 grams of protein and 120 calories. Unlike other veggies, the powder is easy to digest and can be consumed in the form of smoothies. Number 6. Tofu. Tofu, also known as bean curd, is made from soybeans and is rich in iron and calcium. 1/2 cup serving of raw, firm tofu contains 10.1 grams of protein. Compare that to a 1/3 cup of milk weighing in at 5.1 grams of protein, 1 3-ounce egg which has 6 grams of protein, and 4 ounces of ground beef with 26 grams of protein. Go for the firmest tofu available. The harder the tofu, the higher the amount of protein. Number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa, a great substitute for rice, is a complete protein. It is gluten-free, rich in fiber, iron, potassium, magnesium, vitamin E, and other antioxidants. A cup of cooked quinoa contains 8 grams of protein, 39 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of fat. If you are one of those vegetarians with gluten intolerance, then quinoa is the super diet for regular workout and bodybuilding. Now that you all know these 7 superfoods, it's time you try out some of the protein-enriched food recipes that will feed your muscles right. Recipe number 1. Lentil spinach soup with lemon. It's light, full of flavors, and easy one-pot vegetarian meal that goes really well with rice and some cooked quinoa. Here's the list of ingredients that you will require. Sauté the onions and carrots and garlic in the soup pot with some olive oil till golden brown. Add all the spices and sauté for 2 minutes or more. Add vegetable stock, water, lentils, and bay leaf. Simmer and cover the pot. Let the soup cook for about 30 minutes till the lentils soften. You can puree the soup halfway or just leave it like that. Add fresh spinach leaves and cilantro, leaving it to simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and stir in fresh lemon juice to taste. Add some salt as per your taste and serve. Recipe number 2. Roasted chickpeas with chili and garlic. Vegetarian or not, if you have not tried roasted chickpeas with chili and garlic, then you are missing out one of the delicious food in the world. Chickpeas are crazy rich in protein, and when combined with rice, they become a complete protein. Here's the list of ingredients. Drain your chickpeas and place them in a bowl. Coat the chickpeas with a couple tablespoons of olive oil, some chili powder, sea salt, cumin powder, black pepper, and some garlic powder. Place it on a tray and roast it for about 30 to 45 minutes until they turn golden brown and crispy. Halfway through the cooking process, you need to give them a toss so they cook evenly. Recipe number 3. The vegan fat shake. As the name suggests, the fat shake is really effective in making you gain muscles within a week. Originally developed by Tim Ferriss in his book, The 4-Hour Body, An Uncommon Guide to Rapid Fat Loss, Incredible Sex, and Becoming Superhuman, the fat shake is the ultimate mass-gaining smoothie for all the vegans. Here's the recipe. Blend everything in a blender and drink it about 2 hours after each workout session. Well, that's it for today, guys. And FYI, I would not recommend these diet plans for a long term, so before trying out anything, sit down with your dietitian or your nutritionist and plan your meals. Like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you can be a part of our notification squad. This is Sound Health Solution, the ultimate destination to your health guide.